Hello, today we're talking about in-text citations. Remember, this is a research paper, so we're getting our information from another source on the websites, right? So that information is not ours, so that means we have to give credit to the person that wrote it. If we do not, it's called plagiarism, which means that you are copying other people's work. So you have to give credit because this is not your information. So how we do that is we have to put in-text citations next to any information in our essay that we got from somewhere else, okay? So any information that you read or got from another source, we have to give credit, and we do that by in-text citations. So where are we going to put this citation? It is at the end of the sentence that has borrowed information in text. So that means in the essay are these citations. So at the end of a sentence that has borrowed information. How are we going to do this? We do this with parentheses. So anything in parentheses, that's going to be a citation. You are going to put one of the following inside parentheses, either the name of the group or organization that provided that article, or the name of the website, and the month and year you found the information, okay? So I'll show you what that actually kind of looks like. So for example, let's say I found online, of all the cancer cases in the U.S. each year, bladder cancer makes up 5%. In parentheses, you will see, let's see if I can get my highlighter going. In parentheses, you will see right here, that is my in-text citation. I found that at Cancer Research Institute. I have a comma, and then I have the month and the year that I found the information. So you will notice that I actually found this information in 2019. And so this information, what that tells us is this information could be a little outdated, but as of 2019, that's the information that was found, okay? Notice I have in parentheses, name of website, comma, the month and year I found the information. And then notice how the period is outside of the parentheses, okay? So a couple rules, you need at least one citation per body paragraph. At the end of each paragraph, before the closing sentence, you need a citation. If all of that paragraph came from the same website, that's okay, that probably will happen. You are going to put the citation all the way at the end, right before the closing sentence. And then you need at least one citation for each source used per paragraph. So even, let's say your whole essay was the same source, you only used one source for the entire essay, you are going to still put that same citation in every single body paragraph. You will not put citations in your introduction or your conclusion because those are your words. Those are your words. All right, so what does that actually look like in our essay? Yesterday, we looked at this same paragraph, right? Mrs. Pashi, this is body paragraph number 1 for Mrs. Pashi. She has her topic sentence here. She has our closing sentence at the end. And then here is all the details, okay? But then now today, I'm ready to put in my in-text citations. So you will notice I did that right here. In-text citation, in-text citation, in-text citation, and then you will actually notice that I am missing one right here. I should have one right there for the homemade cafe, which I do not, so I need to add that. So you'll notice how Mrs. Pashi actually has 4 websites that she used for this one paragraph. You might not. And if you used all of this information was from one paragraph, you are going to put that citation at the end right here, right before the closing sentence, if all of that information was from the same website. And remember, it is before the period. In parentheses, name of website, comma, month you found the information, year you found the information, period, outside of the parenthesis. Okay? All right. I feel like there's one more thing that I wanted to mention about citations. Let me think. All right, Mrs. Pashi finally thought of it. Remember, when we are using information from another source, it must be summarized. Okay, if we are writing something word for word from a website, it must be in quotations, and we are not doing that. So everything that you find from the website, it must be summarized in your own words. Okay? All right, good luck. Let me know if you have questions on citations.